If you're researching hosting and searching for a reliable Hostinger coupon code, this Hostinger review will help you decide. Hostinger is currently offering discounted pricing across all of their plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll receive an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, what stands out from a technical perspective is performance and reliability. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which allows you to launch and manage a website efficiently. And if prices aren't displayed in your local currency, simply click the flag icon in the top right corner of the page and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. When you combine performance, ease of use, and pricing, Hostinger is often ranked among the best web hosting options. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.